So the only thing we have going on today is really changing out the stem on this one. We went with this FU. Little dress up kit. Also give it a little sprinkle around here. But when we go to pull on it, sometimes I can hear it go. And this is the one that it came with from the store, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that changed out before we put the fork upgrade on it, because we got time to do it today. So that's what we're gonna do. We definitely have to go get some faster tools to help you get it done a little quicker. So as we were here getting ready to change out the stem ahead of the fork upgrade, I see that we have a chance to, get the links matched up and go ahead and get this fork put in before we do this. And this is probably all we're gonna do, because we're gonna put the fork in tomorrow. All we gotta do is remove that crown race from the old fork. That bearing looks like it's in good enough shape, for now. So it's on there, and then once we get it on the fork, we'll get everything adjusted how we want it to go, how we want it to stay. Okay, so we did get the crown race off of the old fork and onto the new one. So the only thing we got left to do now is just bolt everything back up and go ride it. That's the fun part. So we're gonna get right to that. Everything went a whole lot quicker than I expected. A whole lot of bearing grease on here. We don't know the correct amount to use, but make sure you remember to order everything comes off of here, so everything is tight when you put it back on. It goes down in there like that. I am gonna eventually upgrade this headset with all new bearings and stuff, but I was so excited to get this put on myself. I'm gonna go ahead and do it today and see how it feels. And then if it's not to our liking, we'll go ahead and replace all the bearings on it. Because then we know. Back this off a little bit. Got this on a little backwards. I want to get my lines crossed up. I got tired of holding that. So we pretty much have everything on now. Put the stem cap on, brake caliper back, and get the tire on while we still got a little daylight and see what's going on, because it's cold and we still want to ride. So get this done quick as we can. I can barely wait. Got us an air fork now. It's a pretty unique piece right here. Gotta unscrew it all the way. Put that inside there. That hydraulic line. All right. So this will probably be it for this Kent Trouvaille once we do upgrade all our bearings, headset. And I'm not sure what the options are for the chain ring, but that is something I want to look into in the future. Because we're really fast right now, but we get an even bigger chain ring than that 32T that we have on here, we'll be able to go a little faster. So I just wanted to get the forks upgraded, get the frame as light as we could, and move on to another project. I actually ordered this fork as a mistake. I thought I was getting a few dollars off, and it ended up being a straight steer instead of a tapered steer. So I was pretty convinced that the Kent Trouvaille has a tapered headset that would require a tapered steer fork. But apparently not. When I took this Suntour off, it was a straight steer. So either it already has the adapter that accepts a straight steer fork to a tapered, or it was a straight steer all along. But either way, we have it on now, and we're getting everything tightened back down, and we're gonna go see that we have the right product. But either way, for all of this to bolt on as easy as it did, I'm not disappointed that we ordered that fork by mistake. What you doing? I got it, John. I got it. You want to do it too, John? Huh? John, want to do it? got it, brother. All right. Put this up. Stem cap. This stem cap takes a star nut. Not a star nut, but a Torx bit. And I really don't like Torx bits because they script out so easily. I have seen Torx on applications that require a little bit more torque on the tighten down. And I was like, why would they make this a Torx when these things are known to script out? But you keep seeing it everywhere, so who knows? So that's it. We have it hooked up, got all the final adjustments made. So we're gonna get out here and test out this new fork. Got your update coming soon.